que digan tu amiga, ya yo me enteré. Se nota cuando me ve, ahí donde no has llegado, sabes.
What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to tell you guys or show you guys how I apply my rhinestones to my nails. And this box of rhinestones, the color ones, are coming soon with my new brand. If you didn't know, I am rebranding Jamaica Bars and Baby Girl Boulevard into one whole business. So yeah, I'm rebranding. But yeah, so this glue also will be available as soon as my store launches in spring 2021. So yeah, this is what I'm using. The little pen or metal thing, whatever, I don't know what the fuck it's called, but I got it from, I think I got it from Amazon super long ago. That's why it's so like busted. But I do use the metal part to just pick up the glue, and once I know like where I want the rhinestones, that is where I'm gonna be applying it on the nail. You want to be careful with this, because if you apply too much, or like when you apply it where you don't want to put a rhinestone, it will get bumpy, kind of like it'll get dry, and if you don't put a rhinestone there, it's gonna look a little weird, you know, like there's gonna be a little bump. So you want to try avoid putting glue where you don't think you're gonna put a rhinestone, or where you will not be putting a rhinestone, if that makes any sense. First rhinestone that I did pick up with my finger, just because it was too heavy to pick up with the pen. And these bigger rhinestones will also be available sold separately on my new store. But yeah, so I just literally just placed it, and this is why I love this glue, because like they do not move. Like you don't need to be moved. They don't move on their own. And if you need to like adjust the rhinestone, you can, because in order for the glue to dry, you have to cure it. So yeah, that's why I love this glue. And I'm just gonna be going in with some blue rhinestones from the tray, and I'm gonna be using my pen that I got. I don't remember where. I think I got it from like a random nail supply store out here in LA when I used to come out here. But yeah, so I'm just gonna like freestyle it, I guess. And yeah, that's literally all I do. Like basically, you put the glue on the nail, and then you apply the rhinestones, and then you cure it. It's super easy. So yeah, you guys should try it. If you guys never like used to like playing around with rhinestones, you should, because rhinestones just give me that bad bitch vibe, you know. So yes, bitch, they give me such Instagram nails. So yes, have fun with the rhinestones. If you're wondering what's the difference between the white metal one and the pink pen, is the silver one is, again, I pick up is so I can put the glue on the nail and I can move my rhinestones around. And with the pink one is just to pick up the rhinestones, because if I was to pick up or try to pick up the rhinestones with the silver one that has glue, the glue is gonna be stuck on top of the rhinestone, and when you dry it, you're gonna see it, and it's not a cute look. It's gonna look like a little messy. So you want to always try to make sure you have the rhinestone to be clean as possible. And right here, I'm just like trying to see which rhinestone I want to put at the bottom of the bigger rhinestone, and I finally figured out which was a diamond shaped one, and I just added it to the tip of the nail, and I added more glue because I feel like I need a little bit more glue. Once I make sure everything is where I want it to be, I'm gonna go ahead and cure the nail. So I decided to add 2 little rhinestones, and these rhinestones are again from Jamaica Bars. I love this tray. Honestly, these rhinestones are super shiny. I know they're not Swarovski, but honestly, the quality of these rhinestones are freaking amazing. Like, I cannot. And I know a lot of you guys have bought them before, and you guys tell me the same thing. I love these rhinestones. They're super shiny, and I love how they have the tray has different sizes. So if you need tiny ones, I got you, sis. If you need those big ones, sis, I got you. So yeah, these trays will be on the new website. But yes, so I just added them, and you can kind of see them. I just feel like it added a little bit of, you know, a small detail, so I decided to add them. You can kind of see them on the end. So once I'm done with that, I am gonna go ahead and put it under the light one more time. So once you're satisfied with the rhinestones, you're gonna go ahead and add top coat, but you want to try to avoid getting the top of the rhinestones, because if you do put it on the top over some time, the gel is gonna start peeling and the rhinestones are gonna look a little weird and funny. So you want to just make sure you add it to the sides of each rhinestone, and if you do get it on top of the rhinestone, just take it off with your finger before you cure it, and you can kind of see me do it. So yeah, that's basically it. And once you add the top coat, also what I like to do is just take the gel on the sides of the tip of the nail, if that makes any sense. Like, I like to always just make sure my nail is super sharp. Sometimes the gel can get on the sides too, so that's one of the reasons why I always swipe the sides of the nail. And lastly, you're gonna go ahead and cure your nail one more time. And like I said, just make sure you always clean the sides of the nail, just so that you can get that extra gel off the sides and the top of the rhinestones. You don't want any top coat on the rhinestones. This step is absolutely optional. It's up to you if you want to do it, but I like to do it just because it cleans my rhinestones a lot more. I'm just going to spray alcohol onto the rhinestones, and using a little wipe, I'm just going to clean them up. And this makes the rhinestones just shine a lot more. It just looks super cute. But yeah, you guys, this is basically how I put the rhinestones on my nails. They look so cute. Look at the blue rhinestones. Look at the blue shine. Yes, I love. But yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. We are so close to 600. No, not 600. 6,000 followers on Instagram. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, but yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for being here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys, and thank you so much for the support. Bye.